Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. This is the bins you've seen in videos for years and years and years growing sweet potatoes, and they're looking pretty good again this year. They certainly need some water. They really would like it if I'd come out and weed more often, but they're doing pretty good. The elephant ears you may be able to see were not planted, they just seem to appear. If you get elephant ears, be very careful where any of the pieces of them go, or the dirt from them. These plants are looking pretty good. They're getting some bug damage, but it doesn't seem to be slowing them down too much. So I'm going to get them watered some more, and it's middle of August, so it's time to get them some fertilizer with the second two numbers primary, so we'll start making a lot of good roots. So let's move over and look at some that are doing even better. This is that bed in the front yard. If you remember, there's like a 6-foot strip here, and then up here is a bed that's like 4 feet by 5 feet that we planted several varieties of sweet potatoes in. And they are really doing well. You can see they're starting to flower. They've certainly got the weeds. There again, they're also ready to be getting some good fertilizer to help them start. Once they start flowering, as I understand it, that means they're making potatoes. So I want a monster harvest out of here. So we're going to get some fertilizer in them, and we're supposed to get some rain here the next few days. Tomorrow, Friday, we're hoping. It's been really dry. You know, the weather people tell you that we got a surplus of rain, but it doesn't do you much good when you get it all at once and then nothing for weeks. This is the front yard bed I use mostly as a ground cover. What a great job it's doing. Now let's go look over on the side. Here's my other big bed up on the side. This is a 3-foot by 4-foot bed, all in here planted. Looking really nice growing. Keeps this area, keeps the weeds down at least. And you can see there was one lonely bok choy survived somehow or other, and it's gone to seed. Of course, we got the never-ending weeds, but these are really, look at this, they're growing all over the place. They're completely filling this area, way out there, way up that direction. They look fantastic. So I think we're going to get a really nice sweet potato harvest when it gets later in the year and cooler. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. There's your sweet potato update. Boy, this is awesome.